Hello everyone! Today let's draw a snail with the teacher. Let's get started. First, let's start by drawing the snail's shell. Draw a big circle on the paper. Once the big circle is drawn, we'll draw the snail's body along this circle. Follow the teacher's steps to connect the snail's head and tail. The head is round and the tail is pointy. Next, draw the snail's antennae. After finishing the antennae, let's draw a big green leaf. Kids, can you think about where we usually see snails? Isn't it often after rainy weather that we see snails? Sometimes they appear on leaves, and sometimes they climb onto the pavement. So use your imagination to add the snail's surroundings. Here the teacher chooses to draw a big leaf. After drawing the leaf, it's time to color. Take a pink marker to color the snail's antennae and the patterns on its body. This time, our snail is drawn in an abstract style, so we can use various colors to depict the snail's body and patterns. After using pink, use a purple marker to draw dots. Then take a green marker to draw triangles. Next, use a blue marker to complete the tail part with curved lines. Then take a brown marker and draw another circle in the middle of the snail's shell. Use a zigzag line to draw around the edge of the snail's shell. Inside the zigzag line, draw small dots or triangles. After that, use the blue marker to draw a circle inside the shell, like a wavy line, filling the circle with dots. Continue using the same method to draw more circles and fill them with small dots. Finally, use an orange marker to finish the snail's shell. After that, let's complete the green leaf part. Take a green marker and fill the first part of the leaf with zigzag lines. Then, use a blue marker to draw curved lines horizontally or vertically to create the patterns. After coloring half of the leaf, take a pink marker to draw circles in the middle part. Next, use a light green marker to fill the back part of the leaf with triangles, adding small dots inside the triangles. For the last part of the leaf, use a blue marker to draw small dots. Lastly, use an orange marker and a black marker to complete the snail's eyes and mouth. And there you have it! Our drawing is complete. Great job, everyone!
Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.